Welcome back, viewers. Today we have to discuss encapsulation. That is very interesting topic in object-oriented programming. So, by definition, encapsulation is defined as a process of enclosing one or more items within a physical or logical package. Encapsulation in object-oriented programming methodology prevents access to the implementation detail. So, as you see in this image, encapsulation image, you see as a capsule, and inside the capsule there is holes which is red and a blue color. Blue colors indicate variables and red colors indicates methods, and this is overall capsule means class. Encapsulation is the complete package with data members and methods behavior. As you see in the side of the box, this is a complete package. So the uh, encapsulation is a process of binding the data members and members functions into a single unit, as you see in this figure. In C Sharp, the class is the real-time example for encapsulation, because it will combine various type of data members and members function into a single unit. So now take a look at the very important note according to the encapsulation. Its key points, as you see, there is three main key points. Technically, in encapsulation, the variables or data of a class are hidden from any other class and can be accessed only through any member functions of own class in which they are declared. Second point, as an encapsulation, the data in a class is hidden from other classes, so it also known as data binding. The third one is encapsulation can be achieved by declaring all the variables in the class and as a private and using C# properties in the class to set and get the values of variable, like setter getter. And here is use class as a private, that is access modifier keyword. So that is very important to see how to implement. We have already designed this small package code for encapsulation. Now look at the main class. As you see, there are 4 lines. Here is we call Google search, Google underscore search gs, and printing Google search, and gs dot keyword is equals to convert dot string. It means user input. Okay, and the last one is gs dot search. Now we must look at Google search class. What's here is doing. Number one, integer array. Okay, and for the example purpose we have defined length 5, and the second line is string. Public string array means suggestions. As you see, when you type in a Google, what is this, what is that, and you type any medicine name, technology name, sport names, actors name, entertainment names. So there is a lot of bunch create in the third and after fourth section. There is suggestions, that is called is there that, what is that, where is that. So that is the suggestions which is already designed in the encapsulated class. Here we design is very small questions for any kind of things, like what is definition of, where it is used. Okay, the third one is public string keyword. Keyword is what, when you type in a Google, the word, particular word, it's called a keyword. Now the fourth one is only the simple method which is doing generating links and then create suggestions box. Now how, let's here we look. That's for loop links dot len means there is always generate 5 links. Okay, and here's the keyword, and 0 means concat keyword 0, link 1 mean concat I means indexing. There is a condition inside the loop, I equal in 1. It means if the index array equal to one length, they generate suggestions. Like people also ask like this kind of generation in Google search engine. As we look inside, when we type a Google, now I am going to show in Google search engine, we must find out it. As you see, okay, that is the very simple example. As you see, now look back for the code. Okay, turn off, and here is another loop, nested loop, and we have said that j equal to 0, j greater less than suggestion dot length. Suggestion means there is three strings, 0 what is, 1 definition of, third where it is used, 0 1 2, sorry, there is total length is 3. Console dot write line is generate j plus keyword. Okay, and now it's time for program running. Okay, now it's our code run. Now they give me Google search, we type C#, link generate 0. Now as you see, there are three different questions. What is C#, definition of C#, where it is used, C#. So that is very simple to very simple for understanding. Encapsulation is combination of data members and function members. At the end, I'm again telling you one of the most important note once again at the end, must understanding encapsulation is the data hiding, means information hiding, while abstractions is detail hiding, means implementation hiding. Okay, so thank you so much for this watching. I hope you understand what I am doing here. Good luck for the next session.